Yeah.
Okay, now that the fi'il we done already, okay, madi, mudhari, done, full we done, until amr we done. So now we can talk about our ism fa'il. Remember the pattern? Da'in, hadin, yes,
Mhm.
rodin.
Mhm.
What happened
Mhm.
here? Because the day I didn't do with you, okay? So the root
Mhm.
letters is dal, ain, waw, right? So
Mhm.
fa'ilun, it's actually
Mhm.
da'ayun, yes,
Mhm.
da'ayun.
Mhm.
Uh,
Mhm.
wow at the end,
Mhm.
when wow is preceded by a kasra, then it will change to ya. So it becomes da'ayun. Okay,
Mhm.
da'ayun. So yun, right? Basically any tanwin is a nun, right? So if you were to open it up, the yun, right,
Mhm.
you will spell it with ya, one dhamma,
Mhm.
with nun
Mhm.
sukun. Yes,
Oh, got
da'ayun.
noon at the end. Got
Yes.
noon at the end. Yeah.
Yes, exactly. Right? Da'iyun. And yeah, with a dhamma is difficult on the Arab tongue. Okay? So, in that case, they put sukun. They make it taskid. They put sukun on the ya, so it becomes da'in. So, when you revert back to tanwin, okay, that's why, sorry, before that, then obviously we have two sukun. We drop the weak letter. We get
Mhm.
da'in. Okay, then you revert back to the tanwin. So the ya, basically we say that is hiding inside the kasrah time.
Mhm.
Okay, this
Mhm.
is basically, if you want to know what happened, how we get from da'ayun to da'in, this is basically what happens to it. Okay,
The sequence become it da'in.
yes, correct. Okay, this is the sequence from da'ayun all the way until da'in. Obviously, you can just remember da'in, hadin, rodin is fine. Okay, but
Mhm.
obviously, now we need to learn how to do the Muslim chart, basically. Oops,
Oh, the
sorry.
division. Mhm.
Yes. So, because, oops, the ain, this is Rafa, right?
Mhm.
Muslimun, this is Rafa. Rafa and singular. What about
Mhm.
nasab? Musliman, how does it become nasab?
So da'a
Hmm.
da'a I don't know this one. Da'a what?
Ah, I teach you. Hold on. I put a break. Break. Which break? Okay. Okay, so da'in. Okay.
Mhm.
Musliman, what you do is you take out the kasrah back. You take out the ya back. So leave one
Mhm.
kasrah, put back the ya,
Mhm.
and then put your
Mhm.
fathatain as usual. Da'iyan.
Mhm.
Okay. And then
Da'iyan.
jar will be the same as rafa. Da'in and da'in, both rafa
Mhm.
and jar. Okay, so rafa,
Oh.
nasab, jar. Muslimun, musliman, muslimin, da'in,
Mhm.
da'iyan, da'in. Okay,
Mhm.
and to make it dual, muslimani, again, take out the ya. So leave one kasra, take out the ya back,
Mhm.
yani, da'iyani.
Oh, da'iyani. Okay.
Yes. So if this is muslimani, becomes muslimaini, what is the nasab and jar for da'iyani?
Nasab and jar.
Hmm.
The the same as the top one.
No, no, no. Muslimani,
Oh, nasab and jar. Okay.
muslimaini. Ha.
Yaini.
Yes, da'iyaini. Okay?
Yaini. Yeah.
Yes. And then jar also,
Hmm.
da'iyaini.
Yaini.
Yes. Okay? And then plural,
Hmm.
jamak. Usually
Jama
we add una.
da
Yes.
una.
So you take out the ya again, leave one
Hmm.
kasra, take out the
Hmm.
ya, we get
Hmm.
una. Okay. Now we have
Oh.
two sukun. So
Hmm. To sukun, we remove one.
we remove which one?
We
The wow or
remove
the ya?
the wow, the wow.
The waw is your jamak.
No, fa'il, the fa'il.
Not fa'il, the jamak, the jamak. This is muslimuna. Yes, the jamak. Waw is the jamak. So ya is your weak
Jamak.
letter here. Yes.
Oh.
And then kasra becomes
Wow. Ni doma.
yes. So you get da'una. Okay? So if this is muslimuna, then what about the nasab and jar version?
The
Mhm.
this one.
Una?
This one come put back the ya.
Yes. What about the dhamma on the ain?
Put kasrah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, so da'ina. Una, ina. Yes, normal, basically. Although the word is a bit shorter than normal, you have a ya that is mahzuf there. You already did it. Can? Inshallah. So it's going to be the same for all. Basically, all is the same, right? Da'in, hadin, rodin. So let's try. You do this. Rodin. This is rafa. Nasab will be?
Nasab will be Radiyani.
Nasab. Singular nasab.
Rodian.
Yes,
Rodian.
rodiyan. Good.
Yeah.
Jar.
Jar Rodin.
Yes. Now, rafa and dual.
Radiyani.
Good. Rodiyani. And the nasab version?
Nasab version Radiyaini.
Good. Rodiyaini. Jar version, same.
Same. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Same.
And then rafa, jamak.
Raduna.
Very good.
Raduna.
Yes. Roduna. And then the nasab and jar will be?
Radina.
Yes. Make it smaller a bit. Hold on. Yes. Rodina. Easy, inshallah. Rodina. Good. Okay. That is the muzakkar version. Obviously, we can make it muannas. So, what do you think? So, for muslimun to muslimatun, so da'in
Put the
becomes?
ta.
How to put the ta?
Put the ta. So da'itin. Yeah.
Open up the ya first. Da'i.
Da'iyatin.
Yes.
Yatin.
Yes. Yatun for
Yatun,
rafa.
sorry.
Yes. Da'iyatun for rafa. Nasab.
Nasab.
Mm-hmm.
Da'iyatan.
Yes.
Yeah.
Jar.
Da'iyatan. Da'iyatin. Yeah.
Yes. Dual.
Da'iyani. Da'iyah.
Muslimatun. Muslimat.
Da'iyatani.
So the tamarbuta, you make it into a open ta. Okay, so you get da'iyatani, and nasab and jar will be? Nasab and jar will be?
Taini.
Yes, da'iyataini, and rafa, plural, jamak?
Da'iyun.
Muslimatun, here is muslimatun.
Da'iyatun.
Yes, correct. Da'iyatun. And then nasab?
Da'iyatin.
Very good. And jar?
Da'iyatin.
Yes, we don't have da'iyatan, obviously. Yes, muslimatun, muslimatin. So same thing here. Radiyah, radiyatun, radiyatan, radiyatin, radiyataini, radiyataini, radiyatun, radiyatin. Easy, inshallah? Can?
Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah. Okay. Ism Mafool. Do you remember
Hmm.
what's the pattern of the Ism Mafool?
Ism Faail.
Fa'il, Ism Fa'il.
Yeah, Faail and
But the one
Mafool.
Ism Mafool,
Mafool,
yes.
yeah.
Yes, so
Faail,
Maf'ul,
Mafool.
correct.
Yeah.
Maf'ul, usually you have the word
Hmm.
maf'ulun, right? So
Mafool.
mahduyun, supposed to be, right? The root letters is ha, dal, ya. Yes. So mahduyun. So obviously you have waw and ya coming together. Okay. So you're gonna change the waw to a ya also. Okay, so you get mahduyun. And obviously,
Hmm.
you're gonna change the harakah to kasrah. You get mahdiyun, and then you
Hmm.
merge the ya together. So you get mahdiyun. Okay, so this is how you get. So it actually is still maf'ulun pattern, just that because of the waw and ya together side by side,
Hmm.
okay, we have to
Hmm.
do this. But otherwise, it's actually the same pattern. Okay.
Oh.
Of course, when it's okay, hold on. This is when the root letter is ya at the end. So that's your
Hmm.
hadin, right? So this is Mahdiyun. So Imam Mahdi, yes,
Hmm.
this is the word actually, Mahdi. Okay,
Hmm.
Mahdi. Okay.
Hmm.
If we are talking about Dal Ain Waw,
Hmm. Hmm.
so we put Maf'ulun pattern,
Hmm.
Mada, O,
Hmm.
Wun, right?
Hmm.
Maf'ulun. What do you think happened here? This is more simple.
Mad, Mad'uun.
Yeah,
Mad'uun.
you just merge this together. Yes, because they don't like to write it like this, but it's basically
Hmm.
still the same thing.
Hmm.
Okay, mad'uun. Okay, so
Hmm.
if this is rafa, what about nasab? This is rafa and mufrad. Mhm.
Mad'u, Mad'uwan.
Yes,
Mad'uwan.
correct. You treat it as per normal. Okay, once you put a dommatine on the weak letter, even though it's a weak letter, you treat it like a sahih letter, like a normal letter.
Oh.
So,
Okay.
jar will be,
Mad'uwin.
yes,
Yeah.
mad'uwin. And then, dual,
Mad'uwani.
very good. Mad'uwani. Nasib jar,
Mad'uwaini. Waini.
yes.
Mad'uwaini.
Mad'uwaini, good. And then jamak here,
Jamak here is Jamak here is sorry. Mad'una.
yes. Mad'una. Oh,
Hmm.
too long. Okay, so this one is basically like when we say like the word Nabiyuna. Yes, it's something like that.
Oh, Nabiyuna.
Yes. Okay. So
Okay, okay.
mad'una. So
Oh,
the nasab and jar will be,
Mad'uwa Mad'uwina.
yes,
Uwina.
exactly.
Yeah.
Okay. Simple, inshallah. So can you try the Mahdiyun? Mahdiyun. So Mahdi, oops, Di
Hmm.
Yun. This is
Hmm.
this is Rafa and Mufrad. Nasab.
Mahdiyan.
Yes, Mahdiyan. Mm-hmm. And
Mahdiyin.
yes, Mahdiin.
Yeah.
Dual.
Wal Mahdiyani.
Good. Mahdiyani. Oops, nasab.
Mahdiyuna.
Nasab.
Eh.
Nasab and dual.
Huh?
Dual,
Oh,
nasab.
Mahdiyaini.
Yes,
Yaini.
correct.
Hmm.
Mahdiyaini. And then
Yeah.
this one is Mahdi. Just now you said Yuna.
Hmm.
Mahdiyuna. Like
Mahdiyuna.
Nabi Yuna. So the nasab and jar will be,
Hmm. Mahdiyu di Mahdi what this one?
This is una. So this is yuna. This is
Yina.
yes, Yina. Right? Nabiyina. Mahdiyina. Like that. Okay?
Yina.
Yes. Can? Inshallah. So this one, you
Can.
just treat as per normal. Okay? When you do it as per normal, then everything okay. And
Okay.
last one for today will be our Zharf. Hold on. Cannot move.
Zharf?
Mhm.
Okay.
What's the Zharf pattern? Do you remember? Zharf, very
Yeah.
simple. Maybe you can remember, try to remember a word. So a word is the word like this will be the word that we know is ma'wa. Ma'wa. Yes. So the word
Ma'wa, tempat
yes.
tinggal. Yes.
Yes, exactly. So sorry. Ma'wa actually is ma'wan when it is normal. So yeah, we say like ma'wa big if you put al becomes light, right? So it becomes ma'wa. Okay. Obviously, it can have a tanwin actually. Ma'wan. Okay. So just remember al ma'wa and it can become heavy. Ma'wan. Same thing here. But obviously, this is actually mahmus and ajwaf and naqis all come together. This word. Okay. But this is the most probably the most common word that we can think of and we also use in Malay. Yes. So think about this word. So put in dal ain and wow becomes mada
Madaan.
madaan.
Oh.
Yes, so no matter whether the root letter is wow or ya, it will always have alif maksura at the end because you have a fathatain here. Okay, and this
Okay.
is your rafa. This is rafa. Okay, if this is rafa, what is nasab?
Nasab is open back.
No. This is like the word hudan. Hudan will always be the same nasab rafa jar, right? So it's like that. It's the same. Like Musa, although Musa is light, it's not heavy because it's a name. Yes. So it's always going to be Musa. It's not Musu, no Musi. Same thing here. So Mada'an, Rafa, Nasab also Mada'an, Jar also still Mada'an. Okay. So this is a place to make dua, basically. The place to invoke becomes Mada'an. This is Ism Zharf, basically. Okay. What about dual? How to make this dual?
Mada'ani.
Open back the ya. Like just now that you were thinking.
Mada'ayani.
Yes, correct. And nasab will be?
Mada'ayaini.
Yes, mada'ayaini. And then what about the rafa and plural?
Mada'ayuna.
This is Zharf. Can Zharf take una ending?
Cannot.
Una ending is for who?
For the isim. Yeah.
Yes, for ism. This is also ism. Una ending
For
is
the
only for?
Muzakkar and Mu'annas. Salim. Yeah.
For akil, right? Intelligent being.
Okay.
Yes, so Ism Faail, Ism Mafool, no problem. You can do until the una. You can even make it feminine. Yes, but this is Zharf, so you have to remember that Zharf, you don't make it una. If for Ghair Akil, if you want to make it plural, you do what?
Put the ta.
You put atun. Okay, so becomes mada'a yatun. Okay.
Oh, yeah, tun.
Yes. Open up. The ya don't delete. The ya is still there. Yes. The ya is the root letter. So don't delete when you don't have to. So mada'ayatun. Nasab will be?
Mad'ayatin.
Yes. Very good. Can? InsyaAllah. Last one for today. Try hadaya. So Dan.
Mahdan, sim, mahdan, mahdan, mahdan.
Yes, correct. Nasab, jar, same. Dan.
Okay.
What about the dual?
Mahdayani.
Good. Mahdayani. Nasab.
Mahdayani.
Very good. Mahdayaini.
Hmm.
And plural.
Mahdayatun.
Yes. Mahdayatun. And nasab jar.
Mahdayatin.
Yes.
Mahdayatin.
Mahdayatin. Can, insyaAllah.
Hmm. Can.
Any question?
I think the what the vocab increase, so the burden also increase. Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah. Okay, so we've done basically our conjugation, we finished already. So
Hmm.
we end here for today. Then at the next lesson, then we do our Quran application. Then wherever we need, then we do the Sarf Kabeer also, so that we can keep practicing and we don't forget the conjugation, inshallah.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, then I'll see you on Friday, inshallah. Subhanakallahumma wa bihamdika la ilaha illa anta nastaghfiruka wa natubu ilaik. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum.